take a little videos on that too. Put them on the computer.
Oh, look at poo-poo.
Is there dog poo-poo there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say, Papa.
What, kiddo? You got can't ride in the sand.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep. Hurry. She has trouble going straight on the sidewalk too. You got to keep putting her back on the sidewalk.
She don't turn yet.
Kristen said the handlebars aren't straight.
Beautiful now.
We got her on the corner to where she was going downhill. Man, you should have seen her go. She can really go downhill when it's slightly downhill.
Gotta go the other way.
She actually goes better backwards.
Yeah, go the other way. The other way.
There you go. Now you can go real fast. Go real fast. Hurry. Go real fast. Push hard. Push hard. Now go. Go real fast. Push. Real fast. All right. They're not quite straight.